Unfortunately, I won't be able to record my training today because of I will need to use my two hands to be able to fly this. This is not a DJI drone that comes with GPS holding position, so I just crash it again. You see the reason why I protect this LiPo battery? It's a concrete floor, and without this protective layer, I would have destroyed my battery. This battery worth at least 40 something thousand as of today's price, so it might look ugly, but it's on arm. Let me try it again. I don't know if you can see me from there, so let me just set the camera properly. Okay, my camera is on. Are you seeing it? Okay. Okay. The hobby is a little bit expensive, so if you don't have money, don't try it. Unfortunately, the other battery is low, so I will have to try this 3S lithium ion battery that I built. This has less power but lasts longer compared to the LiPo battery, so I'm going to try it and see how long it's going to last. Actually, this drone is built for a 4S 4 to 6S, but I'm using a 3S battery. That is why I have difficulty in trying to throttle it. But anyway, we'll try it. In as much as I know the limit of my battery, I'm not in any danger. The homemade lithium ion battery setting. You see that? I'm trying to keep myself.